script. Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly being put down? Like your ideas aren't worth pursuing, and your dreams are out of reach? It's time to rise above. Welcome to From Ashes to Ascension, Unleashing Your Inner Phoenix, a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. In this video, we'll show you how to overcome obstacles, embrace your inner strength, and find success despite the naysayers. It's time to rewrite your story, rewrite our generation's story. Step 1. Believe in yourself, even when others doubt you. Remember, every great idea was once ridiculed. Embrace your uniqueness and the power of your imagination. Let it fuel your motivation and propel you forward. Step 2. Embrace failure. It's not the end but a stepping stone towards success. Each setback provides an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't be discouraged, be determined. Failure is not a reflection of your worth but an opportunity for improvement. Step 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out those who lift you up, support your dreams, and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with greatness, and you will become great. Step 4. Set goals and make a timeline for your personal growth. Break down your dreams into achievable steps. Each small victory will build momentum and propel you towards the life you've always wanted. Finally, remember that success isn't just about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey along the way. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress. You are capable of incredible things. Thanks for watching From Ashes to Ascension, Unleashing Your Inner Phoenix. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and join our community of individuals determined to rise above and change their lives.